it's not it's not really giving much throttle. Sometimes they go and they've got so much weight. Good afternoon, it's Captain Tango Baldy. I'd like to inform passengers on this Wizz Air flight that we're about to experience a wonderful sightseeing. We're just about to land on top of Buckingham Palace for an unscheduled stop. Please hold tightly to your seats, thank you very much.
Yeah. right.
I couldn't be a pilot, I'm not serious, am I? How many times you been on aeroplane? You've been once, twice on plane?
Twice.
I've flown a glider. I've been in the sky in a glider.
Glider?
Yeah, plane with no engine.
Really?
Yeah, they hook you up by a rope to an aeroplane and they drag you. And then you fly on your own with no engine. It's really cool. I think you just dropped all your beer. It don't matter.
Let's go home.
Yeah. Like glider plane.
Oh, understood.
No engine. No engine. Yeah, it's got. I got bad chest, so it's not. I need to. I keep coughing.
Yeah.
Let me put the map for home. I put Bingswade in. Map. Biggleswade.
Jet.
Yeah, someone owned that. Posh jet. If you're a millionaire, mate, multi-millionaire, you get to fly one of them.
Yeah? It's the personal jet.
Yeah. But normally, because they cost so much money, they might charter it, like rent it.
Renting?
Rent it. I call it chartering.
Oh, renting, yeah.
Yeah, renting. So you might pay, I don't know, £200,000 and then you get so many hours flight. So you can say, well, I want to fly to France today, so that'll come out of your money that you paid. So you pay a big chunk of money, and then when you need to fly, they take it away.
Anytime.
A bit of money. Yeah, anytime, yeah. So you might not get that plane, you get another plane.
Okay.
But if you're really, really rich, you have your own plane, but it's not really worth it because they cost millions and they're just sitting there, and it's a waste of money. Like if you got one of them, just sitting there, that's burning thousands of pounds just sitting there. You've got to have 3 people flying it, well 2 minimum. You've got to have people in there, there's about 10-15 staff on that.
Yeah.
Each of those engines is like over $1 million. Right, have you got everything you need? You want glove? How many you got in there? One? In your pocket. You can't leave your can there. So you get into trouble. I'll meet you on the road. I'll meet you on the road, yeah, because it's a bit dodgy here. Don't know if I can get over that bit. Oh, I'll get through there. There you go. I need to order my baffle tonight. Next time we go out, be quieter because I'll get a new baffle tonight. I'll order it for tomorrow. It'll take a bit longer getting back because we've got to go all wiggly roads. You got your phone?
Yeah.
Alright. You said you wanted to do some bit. I've got a video. Huh?
Nice view. Nice view.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
Plane's come along there. Yeah, look, you see it? Missed it now. It's just gone.